Yeah.
Twinkies.
Oh man.
Twinkies.
Your eyeballs just got really big.
Oh, I can't.
Me?
She's cutting my hair. I can't do this.
Oh, okay. Make a face. Make another face. Make another one.
You have a really long tongue. I'm surprised that you can't touch your tongue to your nose.
Not even. Make another face.
Look at the hair just
Another
fall
face.
down.
I want to make the face, but
Why can't you do that?
I have no idea.
Do you learn all these things from your kids?
No.